Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating what-if scenario. What if the moon were to split into two pieces? This is a hypothetical situation that has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction writers for decades. In this video, we'll use computer simulations to explore the potential consequences of such an event. Firstly, let's consider how such an event could occur. One possibility is that the moon could be struck by a large asteroid or comet, causing it to break apart. Another possibility is that the moon could be subjected to tidal forces from the Earth, causing it to fracture. Now, let's move on to the simulation. We'll start by assuming that the moon splits into two roughly equal-sized pieces, each with half the mass of the original moon. We'll also assume that the two pieces are initially moving away from each other at a velocity of 10 meters per second. The first thing we'll notice is that the gravitational force between the two moon pieces is much weaker than the force between the Earth and the original moon. As a result, the two pieces will begin to drift away from each other, with their trajectories becoming increasingly erratic over time. Over the course of several months, the two moon pieces will drift farther and farther apart until they eventually settle into a stable orbit around the Earth. However, this new orbit will be highly eccentric and unstable, with the two moon pieces constantly interacting with each other gravitationally. One potential consequence of the moon splitting into two pieces is that the tides on Earth would be greatly reduced. This is because the moon's gravitational pull is a major factor in the formation of tides. Without the moon, the tides would be much smaller and less predictable. Another potential consequence is that the Earth's axial tilt could become more unstable. The moon currently helps to stabilize the Earth's axial tilt, which is responsible for the changing season. Without the moon, the Earth's axial tilt could become more extreme, leading to more dramatic seasonal changes. Finally, we should consider the potential impact of the moon breaking apart on the moon's inhabitants. While there are no known life forms on the moon, there are several human-made objects, such as the Apollo landing sites and various scientific instruments. If the moon were to break apart, these objects would be destroyed or rendered useless. In conclusion, the hypothetical scenario of the moon breaking apart is a fascinating what-if scenario that raises many interesting questions about the nature of our solar system and the impact of celestial events on our planet. While it's unlikely that the moon will actually split into two pieces, it's always interesting to explore the potential consequences of such a scenario. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.